Back at it again on a Monday, building a nice high-end PC. We've been doing a lot of IQ stuff, guys.
We've been IQ'd out.
I think the reason I put this one back was what I told you last week, where like it was literally the same day.
Oh, you're gonna do IQ on that then?
Yeah, IQ on IQ on IQ.
We're doing a lot of Corsair stuff recently. You'll see the video tomorrow, as long as everything goes well. Yeah, so I'll read off all the specs for everyone watching on Toasty Clips. Hit that subscribe button, by the way. This is the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. Pretty much the best gaming CPU on the market. Going with like the the Ryzen 9 actually doesn't make that big of a difference gaming-wise. This one's a really good CPU for gaming. We're using a Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite motherboard. We're also using 32 gigs of DDR5 memory from Corsair, 6,000 megahertz. We have a power color of 7900 XT with 20 gigs of VRAM. Insane.
You're gonna need it for Starfield, right?
Yeah, I got that 1 terabyte Gen 4 SSD, an 850 watt power supply inside the 4000X with IQ, and that CPU is gonna be cooled by the H150i Elite Capellix XT.
Are you tired of unactivated Windows but don't want to pay for a key? KeysOff has you covered. KeysOff offers cheap and legal OEM software keys from Windows to Office keys and more. KeysOff has you covered with low prices for all their keys at up to 62% off. KeysOff also has 24/7 customer service and lifetime after sales support to ensure you're taken care of at any step of the process. Take advantage of these deals by entering the respective coupon codes in the links in the description below to claim your cheap and legal software keys today. Once you've gotten your code via email, then all you have to do is just enter it into Windows and then you're all set. Big thanks again to KeysOff for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into the video.
And for those asking, so no, this is not for a video. This is well, it'll partially be a video. Toasty Clips, go subscribe. But on Toasty Clips, you know, we upload these little shorts or sometimes long videos. But this PC itself will be for sale at PCBros.tech. And it'll basically be like a custom one-off. So that's something that, you know, we do that probably one of the main things, honestly, that makes this unique is we do a lot of one-offs. So I actually go on the website to get their own pictures every time. Sometimes they even get their own benchmarks, and they'll have their own unique description too.
This one will be for sale for $25.50.
$25.50 for some of the best, you know, AMD components you can get. Yeah, I would consider this to be overkill for most people. 20 gigs of VRAM, just there's not a lot of people who will utilize that. I honestly don't even know if there's a game where you can actually force it to use 20 gigs of VRAM.
Oh, so this is a power card model, but this is actually the reference card. Because power card just manufactures.
Oh yeah. I guess since because AMD doesn't make. Do they make their own 7000 series or no?
I don't know.
I thought AMD didn't. I thought it was only partner boards.
This thing's got some heft to it. It's like just as heavy as that Starfield one.
Oh yeah, I guess. Wait, was the Starfield one just straight up just AMD?
Yes.
Huh, I don't know then.
I know they've had, I know Nvidia's done it too before, where they had like companies actually manufacture their own OEM cards.
Well, because I know for sure that I think it's at least the lower end, the 7600. So I remember a few people telling me that they did not make any reference model.
Yeah, I think the lower ones did not. Not a fan of AMD or Ryzen. Tell me why, Big Steve. Big Steve. It feels cheap, only go Nvidia. Where have you been?
Ooh, only go Nvidia.
You've been under a rock for a while?
It's a big take. So what exactly, just kind of picking your brain here, what do you feel like makes it cheap? Like, what experience have you had? Because I know
have you had an experience with it, or is it just kind of like an outsider looking in type deal?
Seen it on Reddit.
Because to be fair, and this is all marketing, this is like any product in general, this is similar to how like hype clothing becomes a thing. Like, if a company markets themselves very well as being premium and the best, then people will interpret that as value and being better. Same thing with Nvidia. Nvidia has always been like, we're the best. And to be fair, they have been the best on the top end, but it doesn't mean that the other option is inferior.
You know, another, one of the greatest examples of all time is Apple and like Android.
Yep, exactly.
You know, Apple's
like the cult system.
Yeah, they market themselves as being the best of the best, and they definitely have their, Nvidia, just like iPhone, they definitely do have their advantages. Think about NVIDIA encoder, but then think about anything else beyond that. 3080, I just was literally looking at them the other day for someone to have a build plan, and the 3080s you can get for around $400 on eBay, so that's almost half the price of this GPU. And they're selling it for, would that be about $700 less? So really,
I mean, if you're willing to offer, I would think like 16 or something. 16.
I'd say 16 or less.
16 or less would
on
be
a
ideal.
Second hand with no warranty.
Yeah. And even then, buying high-end PCs like that second hand with no warranty is a bit of a risk.
It's so risky because you always have to wonder, why are they selling it? Because that's obvious that that's like a pretty new, I mean, that had to have been built within the last few months, I'd say. So it's like, well, why are you selling it, sir? Because a lot of times when people sell stuff like that, it's usually because they have some type of weird, like the PC works, but it's crashing in games
They're
or
having
something.
weird issues and they're just fed up with it.
Yeah, that's like mad common. And then they won't say there's anything wrong with it because they're like, well, they'll figure it out.
What do you guys think of the rumors of AMD now releasing high-end GPUs to the next generation? I'd be cool with it. I heard they were talking about them not trying to aim high and try to get Nvidia territory.
Yeah, I really like what they've been doing, honestly. Like, if they just
release one or two
good
high-end ones, and then the rest are like budget. Like, I'd love to see more because like AMD and Nvidia right now, the only new stuff they really sell, minus like, I mean, the RX 6400, but that's just one card. It's like $200 or higher. Like, I want to see something really good in the 150 range again, or like the 140 range again, like something like that.
I will say AMD did a really good job with their 7600 versus Nvidia's like 4060 and 4060 Ti.
It's a way better value.
Yeah. So for that person who was hating on AMD,
screws already up.
That's that's a great example of like AMD absolutely, I think, destroying Nvidia in this one department at least. All right, I got one screw in the motherboard.
So no more screws required.
No more screws required.
Yeah, you can see everything now.
Yeah, I wonder how much bigger the XTX is. Have we ever used that card?
It was we got the XTX. That was the Starfield one. So it's the same exact size.
Did you actually use that card though?
I wouldn't actually use it, but
like, have we ever actually like?
I don't know.
No, I remember always like we would talk about it when people asked it when it came out. We're like, oh yeah, you know, we'll probably eventually.
We just haven't had any builds to do with it. I mean,
Yeah.
That's cooler for a 3900KF, a 360 mil AIO or bigger.
Yeah, I mean, doing with the best.
I like the Arctic ones. Those are pretty.
Yeah, those have
pretty
been
nice.
Yeah, we've been using those again. I
Oh,
really be going through phases where like I forget certain components exist. I'm like, oh yeah, this would be cool. But be true though.
We be true to be true.
They ain't ever got no goop to our knowledge, but we've also never opened one.
Everything we've used V-True runs pretty cool. So
We've been using Beecher now for. I'm trying to think of like when we really first like. I feel like we end up being like pioneers for a lot of this stuff. Like I know with Ares game, we were using them really early on. I mean that was.
Well, I remember when we first
3 or 4
bought
years
Ares
ago.
game, they popped up when all those power supply shortages were happening, and
Yeah.
they were the only ones that had reasonable prices, and the power supplies looked okay.
Yeah, and the reviews I remember were like really good, which we still don't really
Know how legit.
Yeah.
But in terms of our raw data using them, we've had a very, very, very low failure rate.
Yeah.
Like 1 or 2. I don't remember.
And they were just DOA.
And there's DOA. True to be true, unless you can afford Be Quiet. Be Quiet's cool.
Yeah,
Their stuff's okay.
We don't
but-
use their stuff a whole lot, not for any particular reason. It's just generally expensive. I think it's harder to find. Like we don't see it nearly as often on like the marketplaces as you do some of these other brands. When we do use them, we really like them. I know we've had a lot of PC Bros customers who are really particular about fan noise, and sometimes they don't really care about like looks. They just want the build to be really quiet, and obviously that's what a company like Be Quiet. This is such an interesting card. We got 2 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI, and 1 USB-C.
Alright, see, she turns on.
That is a good point. What are VRs doing?
Anyone into VR?
I haven't heard much about it recently.
RGB immediately.
RGB.
Loud AF, but oh, it's trying me down. Honestly, I'm sorry, but I don't really know any recommendations for PC parts in Saudi Arabia. Not very
I love
experienced.
when we get those questions. I'm just like, I don't know what people think we are. They'll be thinking too much of us. And we'd have to be like a wealth of knowledge to actually like understand like other markets that well.
Chat, we're find someone to raid. Thanks for watching today. You're all beautiful.
Bye, friends.
Alright guys, we're rating X, Y,
I don't
Z,
think I
S,
know what that
so hope you all enjoy. See you all later. Peace out.
Bye.